Okay, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick update, just let you know what's really coming up in the next couple of videos, maybe show you a little bit. But I thought I'd turn the camera on now, because I would show you, you know there are those days where you've got the little distractions in your office and they just take you away from doing what you're meant to be doing, and rather than doing work, you're just like, oh, look at that. Now you might have spotted in the last video I put up about the tools that there was something in the background. And if you spotted it in the background, you might now be able to hear the outcome to that. There is 11 little chicks in there. No, there's not 11 in there, there's 7 in there. And I think I've still got another 3 or 4 in there, just having a bit of a snooze, waiting until things change. So yeah, I've got these as a mega distraction to me at the minute, but not to worry. I've still got signs to do. I make the signs, and yeah, got other things coming up. Right, I am doing the video on the Craft Robo Light. That is most definitely coming up. I am doing the video on the Silhouette. That again is most definitely coming up in the next week or so. I am not doing a video on the AB candling lamp, although it is a very good lamp if you would like to get yourself one, because it's got individual holes for the smaller size eggs. It's got a bulb in there, and the bulb only comes on when you press the button, which is even better, so you don't blind yourself when you pick up the egg, unless you are doing it with a child who likes to press the button. Yeah, experience. So yeah, that's basically it. We've got lots going on, so let's crack on with it.